In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the outside temperature unit in your Kia Sportage. Whether you prefer Celsius or Fahrenheit, I will show you how to make the switch in just a few steps. To begin, make sure ignition is turned on or start the engine. This will power up the instrument cluster display where we need to adjust the settings. Then locate and press the menu button on your steering wheel to access the user settings menu. Next, scroll down using the lever on the steering wheel until you find the other option. Once you have highlighted it, press the OK button to enter the menu. Within the other menu, you will find various settings. Scroll down and select the temperature unit. Now you will see two options, Celsius and Fahrenheit. Choose the one that suits your preference, then press the OK button to confirm your selection. And there you have it. You have successfully changed the temperature unit in your Kia Sportage. It's that easy. Thanks for watching, and if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Join for more car tips.